Asuntoskeittiö Säästömartti.
Today it's the 27th of October 2022 and we finally also got inside here on Iivisniemenkatu. Iivisniemenkatu on 2 staircase D. Here in Iivisnies, Kaitaa, Kaitaas, Espoo, here in Helsinki, Espoo's region, Finland. But the metro station opening on the 3rd of December 2022 should have been named Iivisnies as well.
Yeah.
It was 4 years late. But will be open soon. The capacity is 3 versus or 204 grams. It was built in 1969, turned 50 years old in 2019. Finished in late 1969. The Zimmer station 17237. And the building 4 was finished in the beginning of 1970.
Yeah.
Also with MP6 fixtures. It will be inspected in 2024 and also deserves 2 rides. Pretty strange also that it's from P or yes, but I think it's just for one on the for ground floor or something, but I'm sure. Well, I'm not sure. But P is for K.
Yeah.
Because I thought P was the first.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I was confused. So you can, or shall we wait, or I don't know.
No.
But
yeah.
you can.
Yeah.
Probably press. Meillä ei vielä tätä there's a half floor here.
Yeah. Iskuttiin kaikki vain, iskuttiin, mentiin posiin.
Floors themselves. We've got only one left to film.
Yeah.
You see?
There are no stairs. It is just electrical room,
Same
I think.
here.
Yes.
Same as in Texas, PNC.
Yeah. And this is locked up. But in both sides. Yeah.
Strange. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's